Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on this 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. We put a 9-inch lift on it, some 20x10 wheels with a negative 24mm offset, and some 37x1250 R20 mud terrain tires. Now, typical 37 would come in a 13 wide, but we went with a 12 wide, and this is wide. All the trimming that we had to do was trim this front valence piece just a little bit to allow the front wheel to go by, and then on the aftermarket fender flares, we had to trim the inner bit just a little bit. If you're not running aftermarket fender flares, you don't have to whatsoever. So on a 9-inch lift, 20x10s with a negative 24 and a 37x1250, no problem. Absolutely, you can clear it. You'll just have to trim your front valence like you always do on all Chevys because of the square wheel wells. So if you want more information on these tires and wheels, go watch the tire and wheel matchup video. If you want more information on the lift, go watch the tips and tricks video. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thank you for watching and have a great day.